Circle. Go round and round. Hello, children. Today we will learn about a circle. Do you know what is circle? Let us sing one of your favorite songs and make some movements. The Wheels on the Bus song. Are you ready? Let us sing all together.
The wheels on the bus. All right. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 zoom. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 all through the town. The babies on the bus go where, 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 where. The babies on the bus go where, 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 all through the town. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The parents on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. The mommy on the bus says, I love you, I love you, I love you. The daddy on the bus says, I love you too, all through the town, all through the town, all through the town.
Okay, children. We can find shapes everywhere. Circles, like wheels on the bus, are round shapes. Let us look at our pictures. What shapes do you see? Yes, we see circles all around us. A circle is a round shape that looks similar to the letter O and has no corners. Look at our pictures. Circles are also frequently seen in nature. Can you think of some more examples? Do you like to make a snowman in winter? Look at our snowman. What shapes do you see? Do you remember I'm a Little Snowman song? Let us sing it together.
I'm a little snowman. Look at me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear a hat and scarf. Woo, it's cold. I'm a little snowman. Look at me. These are my buttons. 1, 2, 3. These are my eyes, and this is my nose. I wear a hat and scarf. It's cold. scarf. It's cold.
Now make a circle with your hands. It is very easy. Or you can even make a circle using only 2 fingers. Try it. And one more amazing thing. You can hold your friend's hand and make a big circle. Make a circle, guys, and sing together.
Time to make a circle. Make a circle, big, 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 small, 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 big, big, big. Make a circle, small, small, small. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle, round and round, round and round, round and round. Make a circle, round and round. Hello, hello, hello. Make a circle, up, 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 down, 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 up, up, up. Make a circle, down, down, down. Now sit down.
Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.